Hi, my name is Bridget Amesa Moiseli. I am one of the graduates of season 46 of the Centonomy 101 class. I joined Centonomy because I'd always been seeing the bonus classes that were being offered. So I would join, and then I registered, didn't take the class because life happened. But this season, I was sure I was going to do the class because Nancy reached out. She told me there's a thing happening in November. I think it was a Black Friday offer or something, which I took up. And yeah, here I am 12 weeks later. I knew I wanted to do the class. And when I got to the class, I was so excited because being a young person, it would make a lot of sense for me to do the class, to get knowledge on finance, how to manage my finances, how to invest. There was always this big talk on T-bills, Treasury bonds, CDSC account. I had heard about that a lot at work, but I really didn't know what it meant. And I was always scared of getting scammed in this day and era. So the class made a lot of sense. So when I joined the class, I remember from Waithaka's class, the way Waithaka has energy. Everyone was engaging in the class. And one thing I'd never forget from the first class, he asked us, ladies, is it good to make your hair? Is it good to buy makeup? Is it good to buy clothes? Then we all said yes. Then he said, if it doesn't make sense in your finances, then it's not supposed to be there. And everyone was mad in the class, and everyone kept on saying, you've trapped us, you've made us answer the question, and then you've backdone it. But then he made us understand that when you want this type of life that you want, if you want a good lifestyle, if you want to to drive the best car, to do the best thing that you would want with your money, it makes a lot of sense if you've budgeted for it, if it's part of your financial plan. So early on and through the modules, the theme has been the same. If you don't have a plan, then your finances don't make sense for you, and then in the long run, it becomes difficult to build wealth. So I would definitely recommend the program 12/10. Yeah, I think it's going to be life-changing. I can't wait to see where I'll be 1 year from now, 2 years from now. Yeah, and I hope that anyone who is second-guessing themselves on whether they should join the program or not, from my story and many others, will feel like they have a decision, because yeah, it's definitely the program for you to be in.